Final verdict on the Blackweb dashcam and new tires for the Toyota. Good afternoon, YouTube. Here with you on a Friday afternoon. I been a little busy little beaver. I just got back from Walmart, where I got 2 new tires and a full tank of gas, and I'm about $140 poor. That's pretty much what I expected. Tires were $44 a piece. They're the Douglas to fit my size for my car. And then there's $12 per tire mounting and balance fee, and you know, subsequent taxes. I think the tire total was $118, and I paid I believe $21.75 for gas to fill it up. So you can add it up. That's anyway. I've got 2 new tires now. I should not have any more problems with that, I hope. Anywho, that's that. Now, about the notorious Blackweb dash cam. That is another story. Some of you may remember or recall I was going to do another test of the camera out in the car. I did that. I had a problem with the first file that it tried to read. It was not complete. The video stopped way before the audio did, and neither one of them was complete. That the other 2 files were fine. So I thought, okay, it's got to be the card. So I tried another card. I found another card that I could use. It was 4 gig, but it was class 4. That's what this camera calls for. Anybody wants to jump on that bandwagon. And I made sure it was formatted twice. I formatted it in Windows, and then I formatted it in the camera, because I brought it in here to the workshop and was just basically hand holding it around and like in that, and within, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes, I got the card full message. So I went ahead at that time and reformatted the card in the camera, and then excuse me, went ahead and did the thing again, and it was not complete. It had errors, and I thought, okay, well, this has got to be the camera. So anyway, what I did, long story short, I know it's too late, I went on to Walmart's website and got one of these. Yeah, it's a postage paid return label, and they are shipping me a new camera. It is supposed to be here by February the 6th, and I have until basically the first part of March to get this camera back, or else they will charge me for another camera. So, like I said, I have that printed out. I'm going to box it up, and as soon as that one arrives and everything, I'm going to mail that one. So, that will be that. Again, I think that was it. Oh, 2 other things. In the mail today, before I left for Walmart, I found this box, and it had this device in it. And for anybody who doesn't know what it is a card reader for my PC. USB connection on that end. There's a full-sized SD card slot here, a micro card slot on this side, and this actually is supposed to fit your phone to, I'm guessing, read cards by the phone. In other words, if you plug this into your phone, I think it's supposed to read, the phone is supposed to read the card as an external SD card, I think. I haven't tried it. I know that's the same connector it's on my phone, so it does fit, but you know, whether it actually works, I don't know. We'll have to see. But anyway, that's that one, and I think that was $3 something maybe. I can't remember exactly. But at the same time, I ordered this one, which is just a simple USB card reader. Nothing complicated about it. There's 2 slots on here. On this side, I think it's a full SD slot, and then the other one is for the a micro SD. So I don't know if you guys probably can see that. Anyway, so I think that's what those are. And so I figure if one doesn't work, maybe the other one will. I'm hoping that's the plan. Anyway, this one was only $2.95, I think, shipped. So, you know, you get what you pay for, obviously. I did read these instructions for the Blackweb. I never had done that, I know. But I was doing everything right. Basically, it just verified what I already knew. So, anywho, that's neither here nor there, I guess. But anyway, I just wanted to make a... I sound like somebody knocking, but I couldn't tell. Anyway, I just basically wanted to make a little quick video to let you know what I've been up to today and what I got in the mail and such and such and such and such, and what the conclusion of the camera saga was and is. I will try it once more. You know, benefit of the doubt to the seller, Walmart. It's possible. You know, they have a bad unit come through now and then. I understand that. I don't believe Bill, you know, had any problems like this with his camera. So, you know, I kind of figure that it's, you know, a good chance it may have just been this camera. That's what I'm going by. And like I said, I will get the other one. And this time, if I try it out, it doesn't work, it's going back, but for a refund this time. I'm not taking any more. And I doubt that I'll buy any more dash cams either, because it seems like I don't have any luck with them. And so, you know, that's that. And that is that. I think that's about it. I haven't really done much here in the shop. I've been concerning myself with the car and pumping up the tire and all that stuff. And so, you know, anyway, that's just kind of what I've been up to. But anyway, you're now informed as I am, or as well informed as I am, I guess. I'm hoping these are good tires. They had good reviews. They had quite a few reviews, as a matter of fact. And it was, I think, a 4-star out of 5. That's not too bad. So can't complain too much of that, especially at the price. I mean, $44 is a pretty good price for a 15-inch tire. And I forget the exact size of them, but they were 15 inches. You know, everything's going to the bigger, taller tires, even the smaller cars, you know, so whatever. Like I said, that's going to do me, unless I come up with something else to blab about this evening. But for now, that's going to do me. I think when Kylie was here yesterday, we went and got the pizza. I think I may have mentioned that in my video. I don't think I mentioned it. I don't know if I did or not. Anyway, if I did, I did. And if I didn't, I didn't. You know, no big deal. But I have 2 pizzas that I bought, and then we both had pizza last night. Of course, I took her for her play, and so I did have a piece this afternoon, just 1 piece. So there's plenty of pizza for the rest of the time. Probably the weekend, I would say, because usually I have noodles in the morning and then something else at night. And there's still sandwich stuff in there. There's lunch meat. So, you know, that's what's there. And I was thinking about going to Mom's again, and you know, that's one of the reasons I went ahead and filled the gas tank up. I remember I told you guys, and I think I mentioned this in the video that you probably didn't see. The gas was $1.97 the other day when I was going back, and I said, oh, it'll probably go up before I get it. And it went up to $2.29 the first day, the day after that, I mean. And when I bought it at Murphy's, it was $2.16, so it was coming back down, but it never comes down as fast as it goes up. Y'all notice that. So, anywho, that is going to be my whole thing. You guys have a pleasant day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see ya.